Living in Fort Lauderdale means embracing warm weather, coastal breezes, and the year-round beauty of South Florida. However, the same tropical climate that makes the area so appealing also brings challenges: high humidity, intense heat, and occasional storms. For homeowners, these factors make energy-efficient doors an essential investment. They not only enhance comfort and reduce energy bills but also protect your home against moisture damage and improve its overall value. Keeping humidity and moisture out. Fort Lauderdale's humid climate can make it difficult to maintain indoor comfort. Traditional doors often allow warm, moist air to seep inside, which raises indoor humidity levels. Over time, this can lead to problems like mold growth, warping, and even wood rot. Energy-efficient doors are designed with advanced insulation materials and tight seals that prevent air and moisture infiltration. These doors typically include insulated cores and weather stripping that create a thermal barrier between your home's interior and the outdoor environment. As a result, you can enjoy a cooler, drier living space while reducing the strain on your air conditioning system. In addition, many energy-efficient models use materials like fiberglass or insulated steel, which are less prone to warping and expanding compared to traditional wood doors. This durability ensures a longer lifespan and consistent performance, even in Fort Lauderdale's sticky, salt-laden air. Lower energy bills year-round. With temperatures often climbing into the high 80s and 90s, air conditioning is a necessity for Fort Lauderdale homeowners. Unfortunately, inefficient doors can allow cool air to escape and warm air to enter, forcing HVAC systems to work harder. Energy-efficient doors feature high-performance insulation and low emissivity, low-E glass options that help maintain indoor temperatures. This means your home stays cooler in summer and warmer during brief cool spells in winter. Over time, the energy savings can be significant. According to energy experts, upgrading to energy-efficient entry and patio doors can reduce overall heating and cooling costs by up to 15%. For homes with large glass sliding doors or French doors, common in coastal properties, choosing models with energy-efficient glazing is especially beneficial. These designs minimize heat transfer without sacrificing natural light or scenic views of Fort Lauderdale's beautiful surroundings. Enhanced comfort and indoor air quality. A key advantage of energy-efficient doors is their ability to create a more consistent indoor climate. By eliminating drafts and controlling humidity, these doors help stabilize temperature fluctuations throughout your home. You'll notice fewer hot spots near doors, less condensation on glass surfaces, and a more balanced cooling effect across rooms. This improved climate control also contributes to better indoor air quality. Reduced moisture means less risk of mold and mildew, which are common allergens in humid regions. Families in Fort Lauderdale can enjoy a healthier and more comfortable environment, especially beneficial for those with asthma or respiratory sensitivities. Increased home value and curb appeal. Energy-efficient doors don't just save money, they also enhance your home's appearance and market value. Modern designs come in a variety of styles, finishes, and materials that complement both contemporary and traditional architecture. Buyers today increasingly prioritize eco-friendly and energy-efficient features when shopping for homes. Installing a high-quality, energy-efficient entry door or patio door can make your Fort Lauderdale property stand out in a competitive real estate market. It signals that your home is well-maintained, modern, and built for long-term efficiency. Protection from harsh weather and UV rays. Fort Lauderdale's location makes it vulnerable to tropical storms, strong winds, and intense sunlight. Energy-efficient doors often include reinforced frames and impact-resistant glass that provide an extra layer of protection against these elements. Moreover, low-E coatings on glass doors help block harmful UV rays that can fade furniture, flooring, and artwork. By investing in an energy-efficient door, you're not only improving insulation but also preserving the interior beauty and integrity of your home. Conclusion for Fort Lauderdale homeowners: energy-efficient doors are more than a luxury, they're a smart, sustainable necessity. They help control humidity, reduce energy bills, and protect your home from Florida's challenging coastal climate. Whether upgrading an entryway or installing new patio doors, choosing energy-efficient options ensures long-term comfort, durability, and savings. In a place where the air is warm and the sun shines bright, investing in energy-efficient doors is one of the best decisions you can make for your home's future.